Next question 86. Simplify root 5 minus root 20. Root 5, root 45, root 45 minus root 20. Prime factorization of root 5, 45. 3 15 ja, 3 5 ja. Next to 20 ki 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 5, 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja. 45 can be written as root 45 can be written as root 3 into 3 into 5. Here root 45 can be written as root 3 into 3 into 5. This gives 3 root 5. Similarly, root 20 can be written as root 20, 2 into 2 into 5 square. This gives 2 root 5. So, root 45 plus root 20 gives root what is the root 45 value? 3 root 5. The value of root 20, 2 root 5. These are the like radicals. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is equal to what is the answer? 5 root 5. So our answer is 5 root 5. Now next question. True or false? Root of a plus b is equal to root a plus root b. Explain. This is false because square root of a plus b need not be equal to root a plus root b. Okay. Now question number 88. What does rationalizing the denominator mean? What does rationalizing the denominator mean? It is the algebraic process of transforming a fraction with an rational denominator into equivalent fraction with rational denominator, making the expression easier to calculate, compare the simplify. What does rationalizing the denominator? The main reason for rationalizing the denominator is to make a irrational number denominator as rational number of a denominator. అంటే డినామినేటర్లో రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు దాన్ని రేషనల్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయడానికి. టు మేక్ ఏ irrational number denominator to rational denominator. Okay, suppose for example 3 root 5. Now we can multiply with root 5 to the both numerator and denominator. Root 5 by root 5. That gives 3 root 5 by root 5 to root 5, 5. Here 5 is a rational. Okay. In 3 by root 5, denominator root 5 is a irrational. This gives, when we are rationalizing the denominator, it gives 3 root 5 by 5. Here denominator 5 is a rational number. For what is the reason here? to make a irrational number denominator to convert into rational denominator. Now 89. What is the rationalizing factor? If the product of two irrational numbers is a rational number, each those irrational numbers is called rationalizing factor. So what is the main reason here? Suppose for example 2 by 3 plus root 5. This is a fraction, irrational number. Now 3 plus root 5 is a irrational. To make a irrational number, to make a 3 plus root 5 as a rational, now rationalizing factor means which number we can multiply to get a rational, which number we can multiply to get a rational. So 3 plus root 5 is a irrational. Now which number we can multiply to 3 plus root 5 to get a rational is known as rationalizing factor. So ఒక irrationalకి ఒక numberతో multiply చేస్తే that gives rational. So your multiplied number is known as the rationalizing factor. Right. The rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5 is equal to what is here? 3 minus root 5. Because 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. That is equal to 4. 4 is a rational number. So which number we can multiply to get a rational is known as the rationalizing factor of the irrational number. The rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5 is equal to what is the answer? 3 minus root 5. The rationalizing factor of root 2, what is the answer? Root 2. The rationalizing factor of root 2 is equal to root 2, comma 2 root 2, comma root 2 by 2, comma root 2 by 3. All these are known as the rationalizing factor of root 2. Right, next 90, question number 90. What is the rationalizing factor of 1 by root a? The rationalizing factor of 1 by root a. The rationalizing factor of root a equal to 2 root a, 3 root a, okay, root a by 2, root a by 3, and so on. All these are the rationalizing factor of root a. Because root a into 2 root a is equal to what is the answer? 2a. Here 2a is the rational number. Root a into 3 root a is equal to what is the answer? 3a. This is the rational number. So the rationalizing factor of root a, rationalizing factors of root a equal to 2 root a, 3 root a by root 2, a by root 3, a by root 5 or 5 root a, and so on. All these are known as the rationalizing factors of the root a.